So we know that decimals and time are not best friends. What we do know is we can work out using this information over here how to help us work that out. So for example, if I have a question like 5.75 minutes, and I'm trying to put that into seconds. All right, a little bit annoying. How do we first of all convert minutes to seconds? We have to multiply by 60. If we do that on our calculator, the answer is going to be 345. And that's the right answer. I'm going to break it down for you just to double check. 5 minutes times by 60 equals 300. If you do 0.75 times by 60, it equals 45, which is 345. Okay, say I had 400 seconds and I wanted to convert that to minutes and seconds. I know it's more than 1 minute. What I'm going to do is 400 divided by 60. And the answer that you will get is going to be 6.6666 repeater. Okay, on your calculator, and you can look at this in the next slide as a video, on your calculator you're going to press the S to D button. It's just above the delete sign. And your answer will turn out to be 6 and 2 over 3. Okay, what you're going to do after that, there's a few ways and I'm going to show you a couple right now. The first of all, we know it's 2/3 of a minute. What we're going to do is we're going to take away the 6 because we know the answer is going to have something to do with 6 minutes. And now we're trying to work out something seconds. So I'm going to take away the 6 on your calculator minus 6, so you're left with 2/3. What we're trying to do now is work out 2/3 of 1 minute. What is 2/3 of 1 minute? How many seconds are in a minute? 60. So we're going to times that by 60. And what you will find is you get the answer of 40. The other option is, in your calculator, once you do that and you get your answer of 6.66666666 repeater, all you have to do is press the bubble key. And now the bubble key has a little round dot and then it has some commas. It's located just above the ENG sign, and all you have to do is press that and it will give you the answer of 6 minutes and 40 seconds. What it will look like is 6 bubble, which means minutes, the biggest thing there, 40, comma, and then it's got a 0 at the end, which you don't have to worry about. Okay, have a go on your own.